I got a little sales pointer for you here, and that is be wrong really, really fast. If you're going to be wrong fast. If at the end of the day, right, if you're going to be wrong fast. Had a situation come up recently where somebody's telling me about a close client of theirs that is going someplace else. It's a large loan amount, like $1 million. They were feeling a bit butthurt by the fact that the client went someplace else. And when they reached out to the client, they got a payoff trigger. So way at the end of the process, payoff trigger, when they reached out, the client said, well, I'd reached out, you didn't really follow up. And they wanted to go back and forth and argue with the client about why their follow-up was sufficient. Now, here's just the facts. If they went with somebody else and they feel as if your follow-up wasn't adequate, whether we argue with them or not doesn't really matter. It might make me feel a bit better, but at the end of the day, it's not how I feel. It's how the client feels. If they feel I didn't follow up, you know what? They're 100% right, because their feelings are the only ones that matter and the only ones that pay my paycheck if I'm in sales. So here's what you can do when that situation occurs. Thing number one, agree with them. You know what? Hey, I'm completely sorry. It looks like you're way down that path already. I wish you well. Did you have any questions that I can help you answer? So now it's not confrontational. They're already down that path. You acknowledge you still want to be helpful. Maybe you'll get a next shot, or maybe by going about it from that approach, you'll get a shot at just making sure, just to check it over to make sure that it is good. So that would be thing number one. Thing number two, with your closed clients, if you're not proactively reaching out to them all the time, well, of course, they're going to go someplace else. And if you don't find out about it until there's a credit trigger, you're way too late. So thing number one, that's back on us. Right? We could have done a better job of following up. Thing number three, it is super easy to put monitoring on all of your close clients where you get notified if their credit's pulled, anything like that. Super, super easy. It's cheap. And there's absolutely no reason that you should not be doing that. So if any of these things resonate with you, if you want to help putting on monitoring on your clients, just reply back. Just say monitoring. I'll get you over a link. It's dirt cheap to do. It's easy and it works awesome. So that's more of my story. If you're going to be wrong fast. And the more things you can do proactively to see that your clients come back to you, eliminates the chance that you ever have to have that conversation or feel butthurt. That's my sales pointer.